Number series. So we have 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 8, 5. What is the next number? So ang technique kapag nakakita tayo ng ganitong number series, yung medyo marami, itatry lagi natin kung alternating yung pattern. Okay, so try natin. So ira-write ko lang muna para medyo lakihan natin. So 1, 2, 2, we have 3, dalawang 4, 8, and then 5. So what is the next? Try lang natin lagi kung alternating yung pattern. So yung 1, ang sumunod niya, lalampas tayo. So 2 yung kasunod, and then yung 2 naging 4, and then yung 4 naging 8. Ano yung next number dito? So from 1 naging 2, ibig sabihin yan ay times 2. And then we have 2 naging 4. So another times 2. So parang yun na yung pattern natin. 4 naging 8. So that is another times 2. And then therefore verified na ang pattern natin. So alternate natin ay 4 or 8 times 2. Therefore the next number is 16. So the correct answer is letter C, 16. Yung sumunod naman dito sa 16 ay we have 2 and then naging 3. So that is plus 1. From 3, naging 4. So another plus 1. 4, naging 5 plus 1. So yung, kung meron pang next, ang sagot dito ay another plus 1. So sunod sa 16 ay 6. Okay? Follow for more.